Hello students, welcome back. This is Class 6th Science, Chapter 2, Components of Food. In this chapter, I will be discussing all the textbook NCERT questions along with their solutions. Let's start with question number 1. Name the major nutrients in our food. Answer. The following are the major nutrients in our food. Number 1, carbohydrates. Number 2, proteins. Number 3, fats. Number 4, vitamins. Number 5, minerals. Let us now look at the explanatory part of the solution. The components of the food that are needed by our body for the growth, development, repair, and survival are termed as nutrients. We should take proper amount of nutrients for proper functioning of our body. Do you know? According to a research in United States of America, an adult man needs 2000 to 2500 calories approximately per day, while an adult woman needs 1500 to 2000 calories approximately per day to maintain, repair, and survival of the body. Question number 2. Name the following. A. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Carbohydrates are the nutrients which mainly gives energy to our body. Along with carbohydrates, our body also receives energy from fat-rich food items. Let's check the explanatory part. Carbohydrates are the main and cheapest source of energy for our body. Rice, sugarcane, etc. are the sources of carbohydrates. An adult person needs approximately 50 to 60% of total calorie intake in the form of carbohydrates. B. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. It's proteins. Proteins are the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Explanation. A protein molecule is made up of large number of chain of smaller molecules termed as amino acids. We are also aware that proteins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Cereals, egg, milk, etc. are the sources of proteins. An adult person needs approximately 25% of calories in proteins per day. That is 42 grams of proteins per day. C. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. It's true, vitamin A is required for maintaining good eyesight. Explanation: vitamin A promotes growth and also helps in normal night vision or proper eyesight. Carrot, tomato, green leafy vegetables, etc. are the sources of vitamin A. Normally, an adult person needs 0.5 milligram of vitamin A per day. D. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Calcium is a mineral that is needed for keeping our bones healthy. Explanatory part: calcium is a mineral that is needed for making our bones and teeth strong and healthy. It also helps in blood clotting. Milk and milk products such as ghee, paneer, etc. are the sources of calcium. Normally, an adult person needs approximately 1000 milligram calcium per day. Moving further, question number 3. Name two foods each rich in A. Fats. Answer: walnuts and ghee are the food rich in fats. B. Starch. Potatoes and corn are the food rich in starch. C. Dietary fiber. Skimmed grains and corn cob are the sources of food rich in dietary fibers. D. Protein. Eggs and pulses are the sources of food rich in proteins. Question number 4. Tick the statements that are correct. Statement A. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Rice is a source of mainly starchy carbohydrates. By eating only rice, we cannot fulfill our nutritional requirement by taking only carbohydrates. All the nutritional 5 elements, they are proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, should be taken in right amount in our diet to make it a balanced diet. Hence, statement A is wrong or incorrect. Statement B. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. A diet that contains all the essential requirements in the right proportion is termed as a balanced diet. But if we do not take any one of the nutrients in our diet, it causes deficiency diseases. Thus, a balanced diet do not cause any deficiency disease. This makes our statement be true or correct. Statement C. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. We are already aware that a diet that contains all the essential requirements in the right proportion is termed as a balanced diet. Different food items contain different components or nutrients. Thus, a balanced diet should contain a variety of food items. This makes statement C correct or right. Statement D. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. Meat is particularly a good source of vitamin E and B. Meat also contains unsaturated fats in small quantities. Carbohydrates, the main source of energy for the body, is absent in meat. Hence, meat alone is insufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. We can conclude that statement D is wrong or incorrect. Students, let me tell you, all these explanatory parts after the answer are given just to help you in understanding the topic or the answer well. It is not necessary for you to memorize or write them down everywhere. Now we have reached to the last question. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. A. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. B. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes a disease known as beriberi. C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. D. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. That's all for this video. Thank you.